The financial year 2023-24 is approaching, and it contains several changes that will impact taxpayers. The latest budget includes lower tax rates under the new regime. From the 1st of April 2023, your greytHR application will, by default, function as per the latest changes. Let me give you a glimpse of the new budget changes. As per the new tax regime, under Section 87A, an employee with a taxable income of less than 7 lakh rupees is exempted from paying tax. In the new tax regime, the government has reduced the surcharge rate for the highest tax slab, which is rupees 2 crore, from 37% to 25%. There was never a standard deduction for an employee before. The standard deduction of rupees 50,000 is now applicable in the new as well as old regime for an employee. The current leave encashment exemption limit is revised from 3 lakh rupees to 2.5 million. If an employee doesn't choose a regime, the new regime will be applicable by default. Please note that, under the old regime, an employee whose taxable income is less than 5 lakh rupees is exempted from paying tax. As an admin, you will be able to view these changes on the income tax page. And the employee can view the changes while submitting their IT declaration. The table shows the tax slabs under the new regime. As mentioned earlier, changes are enabled in your greytHR account by default. In this video, we will see how you can assign regimes to your employees and also download the income tax reports of employees. If an employee does not choose the regime, the new tax regime will be applicable by default. Based on the selected regime, the system will now calculate the income tax for employees who have submitted their IT declaration. You can always change the tax regime for individual employees by navigating to the income tax page under the payroll inputs section. Select the employee whose regime you want to change. On this page, you can view the existing regime. Now to change the tax regime, click here and select the required tax regime from the drop-down. Once done, click Save and Recalculate to recalculate the income tax as per the selected regime. Please don't forget to process the salary for the employee. To change the regime in bulk, navigate to the Employee module. Under Admin, click on Excel Import. On this page, select Import from Excel. Select the importer type as IT declaration and download the sample file here. In the downloaded file, update the employee number, income tax regime, exemption details, etc. Please don't forget to save the downloaded file. Now go back to the greytHR application and click here to upload the file. Select the file and click on Next. On this page, Excel importer mapping takes place. Make changes if required and click on Next to validate the Excel importer. Click on Next to complete it. You have now successfully uploaded the employee IT declaration and the new tax regime on your greytHR application in bulk. As mentioned earlier, do not forget to process the salary. You can also view the employee tax regime information in the employee income tax reports. For this, you must navigate to Reports Gallery under the Reports module. Enter income tax and click here to generate the income tax statement of your employees. Select the payroll month from here and select the employee for whom the IT statement needs to be generated. Scroll down and click on Generate. Your report is getting generated. Once it is ready, you can find the same in the Recent Reports section. With the help of this video, I hope you can easily assign regimes to your employees and also download the income tax reports of employees. With that, we come to an end. Please like and subscribe to this channel for updates about our upcoming videos.